Hi friend, and welcome to my channel! Let's draw some Christmas stockings filled with sweets together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the first stocking with a rectangle for the edge, two wavy lines, a semicircle, a curved line, and two curved lines inside it. Draw two more stockings in the same way. Draw the rope with two curved lines. Wow! The drawing is starting to take shape. Now draw the decoration of the first stocking. Draw 7 small circles, 6 diagonal lines, 4 Christmas trees. On the second stocking, draw 4 stars, 6 zigzag lines, 4 curved lines. On the third stocking, draw 4 gift boxes, 3 rhombuses, 4 triangles, 3 circles, and 12 V-shaped lines. Draw 5 candy canes like I do. Draw 4 pinwheel lollipops. On the first stocking, draw a candy, the gingerbread man, the lollipop sticks, and another candy. On the second stocking, draw 2 lollipops, 4 candies, and 2 Christmas trees. On the third stocking, draw 2 candies, a snowman-shaped sweet, and a Christmas tree. Wow, our tray came out great! Now let's get the colors. Use red for the candy canes and some decoration on the stockings, the candies, and the base of the first stocking. Follow me while I'm coloring them. Use purple for the lollipops, the decoration on the third stocking, and the candies. Use orange for the lollipops, the candies, the snowman, and the decoration on the third and fourth stocking. Use yellow for the snowman, the candies, and the decoration on the stockings. Use brown for the rope, the Christmas trees, the snowman, the lollipop sticks, and the gingerbread man. Use light green for the stick, the candies, the base of the second stocking, and the decorations on the first stocking. dark green for the bottom of the third stocking, the candies, and the stocking decorations. Use light blue for the lollipops and the candy. Use blue for the lollipops and the candy. Wow! Our stockings came out great and look tempting with all those sweet treats. Great job! Goodbye friends, see you soon, and Merry Christmas!